Hey everyone, I'm Christian Bo, and this is Homi, the tool that helps you find your next place to buy, rent, or invest in. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a collection for buying a house in Oslo, Norway, but you can use the same process to set up a collection for buying a house in San Francisco or finding a flat to rent in New York City. After you've signed up, you'll end up on a collections page where you can review existing collections or create new ones. Step 1 is to hone in on a location. If you choose a major city, Homi can help you out with some info about leading listing providers like Zillow for the US or Finn.no from Norway, but all the more tailored recommendations like OpenIgloo if you're looking to rent a flat in New York City. Next, let's set some basic requirements for our search and choose a few nice to haves and deal breakers. Some of these makes more sense in the US and some in Norway, but you can choose whichever ones you want. Finally, review. Here you can set your budget, and if you want, also your financial profile. This is really helpful for estimating mortgage costs, and when you combine that with per listing remodeling budgets and utility expenses, you can create really clear month-to-month expense comparisons. All right, we have our collection. The next step is to either start sourcing listings or invite a partner or a broker to be in the collection with us. Shoot them an email or share a link to get started. Right, since we're looking to buy in Oslo, Finn.no is the name of the game. Though you could also source directly from a broker like Privatmegleren right here. When you see a listing that piques your interest, simply copy the URL and paste it into the Homi website. Like this. You can also go into the create listing dialog and paste it in here, but it's basically the same thing. If you want to do it a bit less manually, we've also prepared a per collection email here that you can forward listing URLs to, either from the Finn.no app or by setting up a forwarding filter in your email. Regardless, you'll have a bunch of listings in no time. And when you have that, you can start leaving comments for yourself or others, or also reviewing various aspects of the listing. If you want a bit of extra help, you can even have the AI review it for you. That's going to take the listing and compare it with what you said you wanted back here in the collection creation flow. And before you know it, you'll have a comment from the AI kind of roasting your decision on adding the listing here. Pretty soon, we'll also have more AI flows like chatting with the disclosure statement or salgsoppgave in Norwegian, registering for viewings on your behalf, and even estimating rental income from a property. If you have any suggestions, I'm all ears. Don't hesitate to reach out in any way, shape, or form. Over time, Homi will also try to highlight listings if things are especially relevant for you and your goals. Right, well now, a key feature of Homi is the board view, where you can organize the listings you're considering into different columns. It's called Kanban, and it's a process we've borrowed from how people work with projects in the tech industry. As you move listings through the stages, you'll have a clear view of how your search is progressing, and additional workflows like finding an optimized itinerary for when to view properties will soon be available. Here is a more fleshed out example that I used to organize my own home search in Norway. Now, before signing off, I want to show you one more thing. Homi works great if you're going solo, but it's even better if used together. So here is an example collection I set up for my parents. Now we can all source and compare together. All right, I think that's enough for now. Again, welcome to Homi, and I'll see you in the next one.